Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting episode of Digital Marketing T2 series. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to talk about how to get high quality backlinks for absolutely free. So first of all, for those of you who are not really familiar with the term backlink, backlinks are the simple links from one website to another website. Backlinks are also known as incoming links or inbound links. Now let's just take a quick example to understand this even better. So what I will do is I will just open the website of the SSM Academy and I will just visit the blog page, and here what I will do is I will let's say I will open the first post which talks about the most common digital marketing interview question and answer. And if I scroll down, you could see here I have a couple of links, right? So if I just open the first link, you could see this link is redirecting me to another website, right? So what does it mean? It means this particular website socialmediatoday.com has a backlink from the ssmacademy.com, right? So this is what the backlink is, and Google and other search engines consider backlinks as a vote for other website, right? So the pages with a high number of high quality backlinks tend to have high organic search engine rankings. The quality and the quantity of your backlinks can really help you to rank higher in search engine rank results, right? So now let me just share with you how to get high quality backlinks for free. Now again, if I come back to the blog page and if I scroll down, you could see here we have a post which talks about how to get backlinks for free, right? So here you could see all the most effective link building strategies that can really help you to change your backlink game. So I will attach the link of the page in the description below. You just take a look at all these 12 link building strategies and pick a couple of them and start implementing. And of course, when you have any sort of doubt regarding SEO or digital marketing or stuff like that, just share your doubts in the comment below. I will definitely try to answer all your questions as early as possible. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.